Germarel power.
Our 2000 kVA voltage stabilizer, static stabilizer, that means really fast control, and we have input and output circuit breaker. Each phase is separately built in, so when it comes, it's easy to install. So it comes as 3 pieces, and here is the high voltage transformer switch gear. It comes as 33 kilovolts. Here is 2000 megawatt, so MVA, 2 MVA transformers, and then this is the electrical boards. I mean, this is a really perfect designed electrical room. And here is generator, automatic transfer switch, and controllers. So it's really clean, perfect electrical room. I want to show you here again. And also, like from outside, it's a clean electrical room with air conditioner. So inside is cold, no animal, no humidity, perfect. So we suggest you
Germarel power.